Hola, welcome back. I am Pabon. Do you want to spend a whole day with me in Portugal? Today we're going to tell a story, but watch out, you have to learn 5 super verbs to survive the day. Are you ready? Vamos lá, let's go. Okay, the day starts early, too early. The alarm goes beep, beep. In English, we say I wake up. In Portuguese, we say eu acordo. The verb is acordar. Can you say that? Acordar. Let's try the full sentence. First, I'll say it in English, then in Portuguese. I wake up at 8. Eu acordo às 8. Eu acordo. Good job. Now let's get out of bed. Now my tummy is grumbling. Rumble, rumble. I'm hungry. In English, I eat bread. In Portuguese, eu como pão. The verb is comer. Say comer. Tasty. The Portuguese bread is the best. Repeat after me. I eat bread. Eu como pão. Eu como pão. Delicious. Okay, energy is full. Time for the part. I love this part. English, I play with friends. In Portuguese, eu brinco com amigos. The verb is brincar. It sounds fun, right? Brincar. Roll that R. Brincar. It's your turn. Imagine you have a ball. I play with friends. Eu brinco com amigos. Perfect. You sound like a local. Shush. Quiet now. What is that sound? Is it a bird? Is it Fado music? I hear the music in English. In Portuguese, eu ouço a música. The verb is ouvir. Listen closely. Ouvir. Ouvir. Let's practice. Keep your voice soft. I hear the music. Eu ouço a música. Very good listening skills. Phew, what a long day. I am so tired. My battery is at 0%. In English, I sleep. In Portuguese, eu dormo. The verb is dormir. Say it slowly. Dormir. We did it. We survived the day. Which word was your favorite? Was it comer or brincar? Tell me in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more stories. Adeus.